Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we are looking at data collected every 3 years on the amount of plastic produced annually in the United States in billions of pounds, which is registered in the y-axis. And then this is over time in years since 1985 on the x-axis. And we're asked what is the closest to the percent increase in billions of pounds of plastic produced in the United States from 2000 to 2003. So when looking at the years down here, 2000 is going to be how many years after 1985? Well, 2000 minus 1985 is 15 years, so that's going to be right about here. And 2003 is going to be 3 years after that, so 15 plus 3 is 18. That's from here to here. So what is the change in plastic over this time? Well, if we look for the line of best fit in year 15, that's going to be this point right here, which has a y value of right about 100. So in 2000, we had about 100 billion pounds of plastic. And in 2003, which is going to be 18, do the same thing, find the line of best fit, and then find its y value. That's going to be about 110. So we're looking for the percent increase. That's going to be the new value minus the old value divided by the old value. Right, this is going to be your formula in general for percent increase. So this is going to be the difference between them divided by the original value. Right, it's always in relation to the original value. So here it's going to be the new one is 110 minus 100 for the old value divided by 100. 110 minus 100 is 10 divided by 100. And this is 0.1. So this is the proportional increase. This is not the percent increase. Percent is a number out of 100, so you have to multiply 0.1 by 100 to get the percent. 0.1 times 100 is 10%, which is going to be your increase from 2000 to 2003, which means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.